Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Let me check my volume, make sure it's good. Okay, hope you're having a great, wonderful day today, guys. I'm back with Impact Mailing Club. Now, before we get started, the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload videos. Welcome back to my loyal subscribers. Thank you for watching my video. All right, guys, I'm back with Impact Mailing Club. Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail, program that offers direct mail leads, targeted leads. These are people that's interested in making money from home. Okay, we have a list of these people. It will include their name, their address. Okay. And in some cases, depending on which package you select, you can get their email address. Okay. So we sell lead packages. There are 4 lead packages. Okay. Let's talk about those real quick, because you want to know, well, how do I get started in this? Okay. And all you have to do is mail. 4 lead packages. The Emerald package, guys, is the lowest package we have. All you need to spend is $100 and send in 2 books of stamps. Okay. That allows you to make $65 on the front end. The first level is 2 tiers. The second tier is $20. Okay. And the company is going to mail you 100 leads when you join in that package. Okay. When you get that Emerald package, it will include a cover letter. Now, when you join my team, I'll get you a custom cover letter so that you can put your picture on it, so to identify you. The one that we have that they're going to send you is like this. Okay, which is fine. But if you want to have your picture on it and your number, then when you join my team, I'll get that too. Okay. Second package is the Ruby package, guys. This package is $250 plus 4 books of stamps. The company is going to mail you 200 leads. You can earn $150 on the first level. Okay. And you're going to earn $50 on the second level. Okay, and again, you will receive a cover letter. All the packages receive a cover letter. The third package is the Sapphire package. It's $500 plus 4 books of stamps. You can earn $300 commissions on the first level and $100 commissions on the second level. Okay, and with this one, you're going to receive 400 leads and, of course, a cover letter. Okay, the top of the line package, okay, is the Diamond package. This package costs $2,000 plus 5 books of stamps. You will earn $1,000 on the first level, and you will earn 500 bucks on the second level. The company will mail you 1,000 leads, and of course, your cover letter. And as I mentioned, I'm going to match it before. I mentioned I'm going to match whatever the company sends you. I'm going to match that when you join my team. I will personally mail you extra leads. So if you join, let's say, the Emerald package, the company sends you 100 leads. I will also send you 100 leads. Okay, and you'll get a custom cover letter, a sales funnel. If you're interested in promoting this online, I have a sales funnel that you'll be able to copy. Okay, so a direct mail program. Okay. Which means, let's show you, what are you going to be mailing? Well, we have options. We have postcards. This is the latest one for Christmas. It has on it, Christmas is just around the corner. Do you need extra Christmas cash? You should be mailing. Okay, so this is the Christmas version. Okay, for the holidays. Let's see. There we go. Okay, and then we have, this is the standard one. Okay, real leads, real people, real results. And you'll be able to get a copy of this. Okay, and then all you have to do is get your printing company to put your information on there. That's what I do. Okay, and just mail these out. Or we have the order form or sales letter, whatever you want to call it. Okay, it has all the levels on it, and it explains to people when they get it what it is. And if someone joins, they're going to pay you directly, guys. There's no middleman. You're getting paid directly. There's 3 boxes on the letter. Box 1, box 2, and box 3. All you have to do is follow the instructions on the letter, mail it in, and we have to confirm you. Once we receive your payment, we send a email to support specifying your name, the level, and the amount you sent in. Then they will send you your welcome package. Okay, that's how that works. But it's just that simple. And you're going to mail to the leads that's given to you in your package. And once you become a member of the club, you're able to reorder more leads at a discounted rate. So just continue to mail to these people over and over and over your letter or the postcards. It's your choice. Okay? So I'm going to put the link below. Pick a package. Get started. You can always upgrade. Okay? If you decide you want to upgrade if you upgrade within the 30 days, within 30 days, you'd pay the difference of the levels. Okay? You would just pay the difference. But if you decide to upgrade after the 30 days, you would have to pay that whole initial level. Example, if you come in at the Emerald, you're paying $100, right? And you decide, well, I want to go up to the Ruby. That's $250. If you do that within 30 days, the difference between $250 and $100 is $150, right? So you would just pay the difference. But if 60 days later or 45 days later, you decide, oh, I want to upgrade, you would have to pay the whole $250 for that Ruby level. Okay? Hope that makes sense. All right. So that's what we've got. And it's a simple program. I guess this is the simplest you can get, is putting a stamp on a card, putting a label on a card, dropping it in the mail, or an envelope and dropping it in the mail. That's it. Okay? So you're rewarded for selling leads. Leads is a hot commodity. Nobody can be in business without having leads. So we have targeted leads. Okay. So let me show you. With that being said, I received a package in the mail. We've kind of been waiting on this package. It kind of got lost. That's why it's very important to have a tracking number, because we were able to track this package down. This package should have gotten to me probably Saturday. Possibly 2 days, 3 days at the most. But it got lost somehow. But with the tracking number, we were able to at least track it and see what was going on. So at any rate, I have a package, proof payment for Impact Mailing Club, all the way from Indiana. Norman, welcome aboard, my friend. So let's open this package. Okay. By the way, Impact Mailing Club has a awesome support team. Anytime you send them an email, they always respond back to you. You won't have to worry about that here, as well as an active Facebook group that's very active and responsive. Okay. So let me cover this because it has this information on the other side. Okay. So let's see. It should be. I talked to Norm, and he took advantage of the upgrade, the Sapphire to Diamond upgrade. Okay, which was smart. That's what I did. Okay, he sent in the $500, and he was able to be upgraded for free to the Diamond level. That promotion went on for quite a while. It went through the 14th, and then it was extended to the 18th. So you had ample time to get in. Okay, here we are. But let's do this. Let me hide the bottom information to cover up privacy. But he put a little note, a little sticky on here. He says, upgrade promotion. Okay. And he put a little star by Diamond. So he actually paid Sapphire, but he was upgraded. Okay. All right. So let's see what we have. Okay. So here's my stamps. Okay. There's my stamps. Then we've got cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 300. Okay. $300, guys. So does this work? Absolutely. Okay. So that's a sapphire package, $300. Okay. That's just in this program, not to mention everything else we have going on. Okay, so with that being said, yes, Impact Mailing Club is the way to go if you're looking for a direct mail program. While I'm on here, I do have a strictly postcard program. If you don't even want to deal with letters, I have another postcard program that I'll list below. You can click that link and check it out as well, and it pays $300 per sale. Okay. All right, guys, with that being said, thanks for checking out the video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay. I look forward to working with you, joining my team in Impact Mailing Club. Simple as mailing, just like it says, you should be mailing. Okay. So until next time, I will see you guys on the next video. Look forward to working with you. You guys have a blessed day.